Hello everyone, it's Chris Figures here with Ambient Activity, here to talk about the GENIE Communication Platform. If you have not yet seen our video, Introduction to GENIE, you really should. In this overview, we will review the GENIE Platform functions, introduce the various users and how users play their role on GENIE, provide an overview of kiosk functionality. GENIE Platform functions. To review, the three parts of the GENIE Communication Platform are 1. The GENIE Kiosk, an easy-to-use interface where elders retrieve and send their messages, enjoy their memory albums, and access community notices. 2. A mobile app that family members download to their smart device we call AMBIENT CONNECT. The AMBIENT CONNECT mobile app is how families send messages and media to their elder. 3. An online administrative portal we call Ambient Access, an exclusive and easy-to-use website used to create and manage user profiles, manage messages and media on behalf of the elder in care. User roles, how users interact with GENIE functions. To begin this section, let's become familiar with some of the GENIE terminology. We refer to elders in care as residents. Residents retrieve and send messages and enjoy memory albums on the GENIE Kiosk. Next, we refer to family and friends who send messages and media to the resident using their smart device as virtual visitors. Virtual visitors are anyone who a manager has assigned to a resident and downloads the Ambient Connect mobile app to their smart device. Finally, we have managers. Managers create user profiles, assign users to residents, manage messages and media on behalf of the resident. All administrative tasks are tended to by managers on the Ambient Access website. It's important to know that there are two types of manager roles on GENIE. One manager role we refer to as the kiosk manager. Kiosk managers manage GENIE functionality for their facility. The other manager role is a manager for the resident, who we refer to as the family facilitator. Family facilitators manage messages and media for their assigned resident. Both manager types use the Access website to play their role. Let's take a minute to understand the following as it relates to users. A kiosk manager can play the role of a family facilitator if the resident does not have a family member available to play this role. Family facilitators are also virtual visitors to their assigned resident when they download the Connect mobile app to their smart device. If need be, a kiosk manager can also play the role of a virtual visitor to a resident by downloading the Connect app to their smart device. It's important to keep in mind that the Access website and the Connect mobile app are two different features providing two different functions. The Access website provides administrative functionality. The Connect mobile app provides messaging services. Administrative functions are not accessed in the Connect mobile app. To recap this section, residents interact with the GENIE Kiosk. Virtual visitors send messages and media to their assigned resident using the Connect mobile app downloaded to their smart device. Two manager types, the kiosk manager and the family facilitator, play their role on the Access website. Overview of kiosk functionality. Let's have a closer look at the kiosk that residents interact with. The GENIE Kiosk comes with a video monitor mounted to a portable desk on lockable wheels. The kiosk comes equipped with resident ID keys that the kiosk manager assigns to a resident when creating the resident profile on the Access website. The kiosk requires 110-volt power and, very importantly, access to a reliable and stable internet connection. GENIE is a communications platform that requires reliable internet to function properly. GENIE can connect to an internet network via LAN or Wi-Fi. A common or public Wi-Fi internet will not provide a reliable internet connection able to facilitate a functional GENIE experience. If access to reliable internet is not available, A strategy to obtain reliable internet should be discussed with your facility IT resource. At the GENIE Kiosk, residents access 1. Their messages, 2. Their memory albums, and 3. Community announcements. 1. Messaging platform. GENIE is first and foremost a messaging platform. GENIE provides asynchronous messaging between a virtual visitor and their resident. Virtual visitors send video messages, pictures, voice, and text messages to the resident with their smart device. A resident will insert their key into the key holder at the kiosk to access their message notification screen. A notification screen will let the resident know when new messages are available. Easy-to-follow prompts help guide the resident. A resident need only press the Go button to retrieve each new message. Once viewed, the message is stored for later viewing. A resident can reply to a message by simply picking up the phone, leaving a voice message, and hanging up. The message is automatically sent to the virtual visitor on the Connect app. Residents can initiate a voice message by choosing the picture of a virtual visitor they wish to message, pressing Go, picking up the phone, leaving a message, then hanging up when completed. It's that easy. A home for memory albums. On the Access website, family facilitators can create multiple memory albums for a resident to enjoy at the kiosk. Residents independently scroll through collections of pictures, songs, and movies, revisiting their lived experiences. Memory albums help to retain precious memories, invite opportunities to reminisce, and enhance family visitations. A community announcement board. Staff can broadcast special announcements, messages, and activity event calendars to the community. Community playlists are managed on the Access website by kiosk managers. The kiosk also comes with manager ID cards. Should a resident require assistance, a manager ID card allows a kiosk manager access to all resident profiles on the kiosk. The manager card also provides access to other kiosk functionality, which will be discussed in video GENIE 101 for kiosk managers. Okay, enough about the GENIE Kiosk. Now it's time to get connected. We've created a series of instructional videos. In these videos, we learn how to use the Access website to create a kiosk manager profile on the platform, create a resident profile on the platform, create family member profiles, and assign them to their resident. And we learned how virtual visitors download and use the AMBIENT CONNECT mobile app on their smart device. We have produced a series of videos specifically for kiosk managers and specifically for family members. We'll see you there.